Did you know a typical software engineering team costs over €87,000 every single month? That's right, over €1 million a year. And here's the wild part: most companies don't even track if that team is delivering real, measurable value. This isn't just a tech problem, it means companies are making huge strategic decisions completely blind. Imagine spending €60,000 on a feature that only helps 2% of users. This lack of financial clarity has gone on for 2 decades, but the game is changing. Saving just 3 hours a week per engineer barely covers a team's cost. To truly justify their existence, a team needs to generate 3 to 5 times their expense in tangible value. That's between €260,000 and €435,000 in value every month. With powerful new AI tools emerging, treating engineering headcount as a blank check is quickly becoming unsustainable. If your team can't prove massive impact, they're not just expensive, they're a hidden financial drain. Understanding this fundamental shift could completely change how you approach your work and career right now. Stay ahead.